Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today I'm going to tell you the truth about my dirty grills. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my grills and how do you clean them? How do you make them look so shiny and really good looking? The truth is, they're not that good looking at all. Well, the grills look good, but they're dirty, they're filthy. Let me show you what it really looks like after I cooked on them. For instance, this is my Napoleon. Look in the outside. There's a lot of grease on there, a lot of dust, a lot of specks on the dial. And when we open them up, you get the real dirty truth. There's still even a pan in there, a cast iron pan. If you take a closer look at the cast iron pan, look at that old grease.
Oh man.
Ah, let's put an X on there. Look at that, Pitmaster X pan. But it looks so dirty, it's old grease. But the good thing is there's no rust in here. So the pan is protected by the grease, and that's the big difference what I want to show you guys today. Cleaning your grill like a pro or cleaning your grill like a rookie. If you take a look at this top rack, it's all dirty, there's a lot of fat and grease on there. And then look in here, inside here, there's molten cheese. It's burned and it's sticking to the side. Ugh. We also have a lot of burned fat on the top of our flavorizer bars. Look at that. Oh, and take a look in there. It's even worse. It's almost just as dirty as Morris on his camera.
No.
The last time I used this grill is a week ago and we use it very intensively. So that's why it's real dirty. Normally, I would just fire up the grill, burn off the ashes, and then scrape it off with a brush and it's ready to go. But now we've built up so much fat, it's time to take it apart, clean it up. So I got a bucket of water with a little bit of soap. The most important thing that you don't want to do as a professional is use chemicals, heavy chemicals that will stick to your grill and make it look shiny, but in reality, it will dirty up your grill with chemicals and you want to stay away from that. I'm just going to stick in my grill grate. Morris and I tested a lot of soap, but you just want to use the ordinary dishwasher soap that you use for cleaning your plates and stuff like that. But use a good brand. And just a little bit of elbow grease. Look at that. You see how easy that was? A little bit of water, a little bit of soap and elbow grease, and look at that thing. It starts to shine already. Put on a little bit of song, a little bit of cleaning song.
I don't have the rights.
You don't have the rights? Of course you do. I pay a lot of money for your music. Oh no, actually I don't. I forgot about that. Yeah, I'm typical Dutch, I always think I pay too much. And we do the same thing for our stainless steel grill grates. We don't want to mess them up with all kinds of chemicals. Look at how they come out. A little bit of discoloration from the heat on the metal, but that's just fine. It doesn't affect the way we cook on this grill. Absolutely beautiful. And of course we're going to clean the back burner as well. And the reason why I want to clean my back burner is because all the dirt on there is going to give off this nasty smoke that we want to prevent from getting. And look how clean it's becoming. So we cleaned the grill grates and we cleaned the back burner. Time to focus on the inside of the grill. So if you take a look at these diffuser plates, I want to take a big strong spatula and I want to scrape off the big chunks of grease and dirt that's on there. We're also going to clean this with a little bit of water and soap. And this is clean enough. All the heavy dirt's off. It's a little bit of discoloration still on the metal, but that doesn't matter. You can now put it back in the grill, except for it being a dirty greasy pit still. Peek, 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 peek. Now the important part is to inspect the burners. The gas goes through the pipe, comes out the holes, and they have to be open, all of them. You can't have any debris or dirt sitting on top of that or being in there. And we're looking good. All holes are clear and the burner is firing as it's supposed to. Now with the spatula we're going to clean up all the rest of the chunks and the debris that's in there.
I think this is...
I think so too. This is the cheese.
This is the cheese.
This is the cheese. The cheese where the steak fell up on and it exploded and it went all down in the grill. Wait, what? What happened here? There's a beer cap, bottle cap in the grill. It's not supposed to be in there. This must be you. I never do this.
You drink more.
I drink more? No. I cleaned out all the big chunks. I don't want to bother with the small stuff. I don't want to clean all of that out. We're just going to burn it off and it will be ash and fall down. But we need to get rid of all this dirty stuff. Let me show you the cool thing about a gas grill. Look at that. Just remove the debris with a drawer. Now you can even line this with tin foil. And we're just going to scrape this out. Now the drawer is clean as well. We're going to take out our grease pan. This is some scary stuff. Look at it, the amount of grease that's in there.
That smell.
Now I just want to clean the top edge with a little bit of water and soap. And now the grill is clean again. It looks good. And as you might notice, the inside here, it's not clean. It doesn't look brand spanking new, but this is good enough. This is the way a pro cleans his grill. He doesn't need to have that fancy shine on the inside. He just needs a fancy shine on the outside. And the inside, clean and good for grilling. Now I'm just going to use a wet towel and clean off the outside, and we're done. With the kettle grill, cleaning is a little bit easier. You don't have burners inside your grill. There are not as many elements in there as you have with a gas grill. So all we need to do is take out the ash and the debris and clean the grill grate. And here's a trick to clean your lid. Take a little bit of aluminum foil, wrap it up, and remove all of the little particles that are on top of the lid.
I'm going to turn off the mic because this is horrible.
Why?
This is no good.
The importance of cleaning the lid like that is that you don't have this debris falling down on your meat while you're cooking. You don't need to clean it any further than it already is. Just scrape it off a little bit and you're ready to go again. Wow, look at how shiny this is. Almost like new, with water and soap. Now all there's left to do is scrape out the ash and the fat, and the grill is clean. Marcel, I think this is one of the least fun we had ever making a barbecue video. I can imagine people don't like to barbecue because of the cleaning part. So let's get this cleaning video over with. The last grill that we're looking at is a ceramic grill, and here it is the same thing as the gas grill. You gotta take everything out, scrape the debris out, and make sure that there's not any dust underneath. A little pro tip, when you're taking out your ash, never throw it directly in the bin. Make sure you have something like an ash pan where you can keep it for a day or two, so it's surely not still glowing and not still burning. So in case of the Kamado Joe, I'm taking off the outside ring and make sure that every 3 months or so I take out all of the ash. This is a little bit of a deception, Marcel. There's nothing in there. There's nothing to clean. No ashes. Normally there's a little bit of ash buildup on the back, but there's nothing there. But you gotta make sure that it's clean and that the air can still flow around. I'm a clean cook. Or I should be using this grill more. If you wanna cook something? Start cooking.
I don't know why you did this.
No, I don't. It's horrible. We'll never do a cleaning video ever again. But now I made one. Now I don't have to do it anymore. This is the first cleaning video after 600 videos, Marcel. Once every while you gotta go in for that deep clean. Once every 3 months or so, but when you got so many grills standing around like I do, we got them cleaned up and we were ready to cook on them for another 3 months without doing that deep clean and just brushing it off, because that's what I do normally. Just put it on the burner, burn off all the debris, brush it off, and you're ready to go again. See you guys next time. Until then, it's Margaret, keep on grilling, and big thank you to our YouTube and Patreons. Marcel, did you bring your dog? I see you. I don't know. I think he likes the smell. Tasty at Pitmaster Acces.